Hi, my name is Zach Miller. Inside of this course, we're going to be learning a lot about sales scripts, how to convert different people and buyers at different steps and portions of your business. Your business is going to have multiple steps. People aren't going to be buying high ticket or high priced products right away. They're going to start off with a entry level product, usually something that costs $10 or less. There's a specific script, a specific positioning and way that you sell that product so that it puts people on the right step forward. And it's a lot simpler of a script, whereas the script that maybe to sell a $1,000 or $2,000 webinar is going to take a little bit more action, a little bit more information, and there's a different positioning that goes into that, as well as when you take people into a larger program such as a high ticket consulting, coaching, or product, usually $5,000 or more, there's a completely different positioning for that as well. So each of these steps, I'm going to be kind of talking you through that, giving you the script. You're going to obviously fill in the blanks for what your exact business is, but as long as you follow these templates, these things are going to put you on the right foot forward. With that being said, let's go ahead and jump into the course, shall we?